How to add language to your Quora profile account. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add language to your Quora account. So first thing, go to your Quora. This is the home page, as you can see. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture, and it will take you to this page. Now right here you will find many options. As you can see, you can add employment, add education, add location, but where is the add language option? All what you have to do to add it, just click here on this pencil, and now click on add here and choose language right here. And as you can see, now you can search for a language and click save. For example, I'm gonna choose French and click save. Now as you can see, I just added French to my profile. Don't forget to like and subscribe.